Let's start making easy guacamole for a healthy snack and lunch. Take 2 medium-ripe avocados. Then make a cut lengthwise and take out the seed. Do you know that 1 medium avocado has 3 grams of protein with 10 grams of fiber? Now take out with spoon into a bowl. Mash with fork and leave some small chunks. Cut 1 medium tomato and take out the seeds. Chop tomato into small pieces. Chop 1 small onion, sprinkle some salt over, and wash it. It will tame the sharpness of the onion. Chop 1 mild green chili. Chop 1/4 cup of cilantro. Chop half of red pepper. It will be around 1/4 cup. Add all chopped vegetables into the avocado bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix it well. Adjust the salt and spices according to your taste. Sprinkle some of avocado chunks before serving. Delicious and spicy guacamole is ready to serve. Enjoy with tortilla chips and crackers, or spread over toast for a healthy lunch. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.